Good morning to all. I am Praveen Kumar, Assistant Professor in Botany at Chaudhry Shivnath Singh Shikhandili Postgraduate College, Machra, Meerut. Today, you will be introduced to the basic characteristics of DNA replication. DNA replication is a process by which DNA molecule produces its own copy. It is essential for the during the cell division when the two cells are formed that each should receive a copy of DNA. Before we discuss the important characters of DNA replication, let us review the DNA structure. DNA, as you all know, is genetic material of all life forms, and it is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. It is double stranded. It is having two strands that are helically coiled towards one another. Two strands of DNA run anti-parallel, that is, they have opposite polarity. One is having 5 prime to 3 prime, the other one is having 3 prime to 5 prime. The two strands are joined together with the help of hydrogen bonds, and the hydrogen bonds are formed between the base pairs or the nitrogenous bases of the nucleotides. The base pairing is complementary, that is to say, adenine forms 2 hydrogen bonds with thymine, and guanine forms 3 hydrogen bonds with cytosine, and vice versa. So with this brief account of DNA structure, we come to the important characters of DNA replication. The first one, DNA replication is semi-conservative. By semi-conservative, we mean to say that of the two strands of daughter DNA, one strand is derived from parent DNA and the other strand is synthesized new. This was proven by Michelson and Stahl. The DNA replication starts at a particular location that is known as origin of replication site. This site is rich in AT base pairs. The process is bidirectional, that is to say, when DNA opens up or the two strands open up from the origin of replication site, then at both the opening sites the DNA replication starts and proceeds. Next point is that DNA replication takes place in 5 prime to 3 prime direction, and the enzyme responsible for it is known as DNA polymerase or DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Of the two strands of DNA, the one having 3 prime to 5 prime polarity shows continuous synthesis of new DNA strands and is known as leading strand. The other strand with polarity 5 prime to 3 prime shows discontinuous synthesis of new DNA molecule strands and therefore is called lagging strand, and the whole process is referred as semi-discontinuous. The DNA polymerase cannot initiate DNA synthesis, and therefore a primase enzyme synthesizes a RNA primer at the on the DNA template, and then DNA polymerase extends it to form new DNA. On lagging strand, there are number of times when RNA primer is formed, and therefore a specific DNA polymerase removes RNA nucleotides and replaces them with DNA nucleotides. Later on, the two DNA fragments are known as Okazaki fragments are joined together with the help of DNA ligase. Apart from these, other enzymes are also involved. The first one is DNA helicase, which unwinds and opens up the two strands of the parent DNA. When the DNA opens up, it introduces tension in rest part of the DNA, which is relaxed by another DNA enzyme that is known as DNA gyrase. When DNA becomes single stranded, it gets attached to single strand binding proteins. These proteins do not allow the complementary base pairing of the opened DNA. This is the basics of DNA replication. Thank you.